like the floors.
It's hot though.
Awesome.
Hey guys, quick room tour of our junior suite at the City Garden Grand Hotel. The first bathroom is literally just a toilet and a bidet and a sink with a fridge, microwave, coffee maker. Then we have the TV. It's really, really dark and you really can't see anything. Well, you can kind of see. Seating area, dining area. Walking into the bedroom, king bed, TV, waters, the menu for the rooftop restaurant, the desk area, another awesome view. Let's see, there's the slippers down there. This big closet has one robe, ouch, laundry bag, safe, hangers, and then this is the bathroom, toilet, bidet, phone, hair dryer, all the things, all the amenities, shower cap. What is this? Shaving cream, a razor, Q-tips, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb. That is a shower with the rainfall too, and that, and not bad with the tub. Oh, Philippines. It's hot. That's it, y'all. Again, this is the City Garden Grand Hotel in Makati. Don't get it twisted for the City Garden Hotel, which is across the street. So there's two of them. Till our next room tour. Bye.